In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website using HubSpot's powerful CMS Hub. First, let's get you set up with a free HubSpot account. Once you've crafted your account and logged in, you're going to want to navigate over to the marketing section, which you'll find right on the top navigation bar. From there, select Website and then click on Website Pages. This action will take you straight to the website builder where the magic begins. Now it's time to have some fun with themes. Go ahead and click on Create, then choose Website Page. You'll be able to browse through a collection of available themes, including a variety of free templates. Find one that resonates with your brand's vision and install it. Once you've made your choice, you can customize the global settings of your theme. This includes adjusting fonts, colors, and overall styling to ensure it aligns perfectly with your brand identity. With your theme in place, it's time to dive into building out the content. Within the theme you've selected, pick a page template that you want to start working on, like your homepage or an About Us page. HubSpot offers an intuitive drag-and-drop editor, which makes constructing your pages a breeze. You can add and customize different modules like text blocks, images, forms, buttons, and even videos. Organizing your content is crucial, so use sections and columns to ensure everything looks sleek and professional. If you're looking to enhance your text or simply want some engaging content, don't hesitate to utilize HubSpot's AI Content Assistant to generate or refine your text. Let's move forward to optimizing and setting up your website to enhance its visibility and functionality. Access the page settings to define the page title, URL slug, and meta description, which are important for SEO purposes. Remember to add alt text to your images to ensure accessibility and better search engine optimization as well. Customizing the global header and footer is another important step. This is where you can place your logo, navigation menu, and contact information, providing your visitors with essential details and easier site navigation. Before sending your website live, it's important to review and ensure that everything looks perfect. Preview your website across various devices to ensure it's responsive and provides a seamless experience for all users. Make sure you're saving your progress regularly as you make changes. And when you're confident that everything is in place, go ahead and publish your website pages and the global content to bring your site to life. For an added touch of personalization, you might want to consider connecting a custom domain to your HubSpot website, giving it a professional edge. With these steps, your website will not only be visually appealing but also optimized and functional. I hope this guide has been helpful and you're ready to launch an impressive website using HubSpot.